All right, here we go for Matt E. This is going to be 2012 Topps Pro Debut Baseball. 2 autograph cards and 2 relic cards inside. Looking for the Bryce Harpers and I don't know if Trout's in this one or not. We'll find out here shortly. If you'd like to get a box broken live here on Breakers TV, we're here every Monday through Friday breaking your boxes live. SteelCityCollectibles.com/breakroom is the place to go. Just click the live breaks on demand banner. Get to see all the live break eligible products. Find the one you want, click the break this live for me button, and we'll get broken live for you here, just like we're doing right now for Matt E. We will focus on the hits here in the Pro Debut. Again, be sure to jump in on that live case break number 3. So we got the A.J. Cole, 13 of 50. Let's see if I got a camera causing me some issues here. No, we're good. I don't know why it's jumping in and out on us. Got the All-Stars Trevor May, Philadelphia Phillies prospect. I think he's still with the Phillies. Actually, no, you know what? I think he got traded to the Twins, if I remember correctly. Reimer Liriano on the minor league all-star. San Diego Padres prospect, came back after a injury season. Need to keep an eye out here for the Harpers, see if we hit any of those for Matt E. Hadn't hit one yet. And we got a cool jersey card here, Alfredo Silverio, Chattanooga Lookouts. That one's going to be number 25 of 50. Again, guys, we got that Rookie and Stars football case number 3 set to break live today. Still have about 14 teams remaining. SteelCityCollectibles.com/breakroom to jump on that. Scooter Gannett on the minor league all-stars, playing for the Milwaukee Brewers now. Manny Machado, minor league all-stars. Moon Pie, appreciate you picking up the Tampa Bay Buccaneers there. Takes us, I believe, down to 13 on the number of teams. A great chance at some Mike Evans stuff. I think that'll be a good one for you. Will Middlebrooks on the jersey card right there. Boston Red Sox. Appreciate all you guys picking up those spots. Boss D. Gergen, both you guys. Looking forward to getting that case broken. Your Mint Nate will be in to help. And we've got a cool John Cornelli printing plate 1 of 1. Bear Ridge, how are you, buddy? Appreciate you joining us live here on Breakers TV. Breaking some Pro Debut Baseball from 2012. Breaking this for Matt E. Just hit a nice printing plate. Bear Ridge, appreciate you picking up those 2 teams in the upcoming case break. Julio Rodriguez on the All-Star. Again, still have around 13 teams remaining. Kansas City Chiefs, I think, are still there. They usually pull a bunch of folks. San Francisco 49ers, I think they're still there. Carlos Hyde and company on that. Bruce Ellington. So still some teams. Tennessee Titans were still available with Bishop Sankey. So lots of good teams there. Still to be had. Those of you guys that participated in our first 2 case breaks, all of those cards shipped today. Got done with that sort just before it came on air here today. Andrelton Simmons on the minor league all-star. Excuse me, minor league all-star. And we got Sean Buckley on the autograph. Any of you guys ever been to the Little League World Series, guys? Y2J headed out to Lernerville Raceway tonight, watch some dirt track racing, and then heading out to the Little League World Series tomorrow. Hak-Ju Lee on the All-Star. Yeah, it should be fun. Looking forward to it. About a 3-hour drive here from Pittsburgh, so never been out there, and it's supposed to be a pretty cool atmosphere from what I've seen on TV over the years, so looking forward to getting to be a part of it. Carlos Perez on the autograph for the Atlanta Braves. Bryce Harper rookie card there. Got some more group breaks, fixed price breaks on some upcoming products. SCC Prez will be in the room later to tell you guys about those. Joe Panic on the All-Star. Who's doing the broadcasting, LSD? Do they have Larkin and Nomar out there yet? Haven't had a chance to flip the TV on anywhere. Boss, we'll see you, buddy. Good luck on the paper. And final pack here for Matt E. Base cards to end it. Matt E., appreciate you breaking live with us here on Breakers TV. We'll get those cards out.